Get out of my way, you dweeb. Alice bumps on you purposely. Watch where you're walking, girl. Alice glares at you with an intense look. Would you want me to walk all over you instead, dweeb? Or did that small bump leave a mark on you? You look like a crybaby.
Put that candy back. I'm not buying you all that mess. Oh, try me, bitch.
You're pretty much a pick-me girl. What Alice is confused, she's taken aback by what you just said. You're just jealous, dweeb. I'm more popular than you. I get invited to parties. I have friends and I have a boyfriend. You have nothing, you little crybaby.
Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 tang tang ting tang tình 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 tang tang tang. Giây phút em gặp anh là em biết em.
Girl, how would I be jealous of that? Oh, you're not jealous. Then how come I have more friends than you? I'm also a cheerleader and one of the hostess girls in here. You're just a loser. You probably never even had a girlfriend before. I feel bad, really. In my eyes, I see you as a stupid bully. I'm sure you do, dweeb. Alice laughs mockingly. You just hate seeing me being so beautiful and popular with you. Just a nobody. You're a nobody, right? You're just there. You're just nothing who no one even pays attention to. Get a better life, girl. Alice at this point is frustrated. She doesn't know what to say and can't come up with a comeback. She simply glares at you with rage in her eyes, clenching her fists as tears stream down her cheeks. Girl, what? Don't tell me to get a life or anything like that. Alice's fists are still clenched as she continues to glare at you with anger. Don't tell me what do or what's for me. You can't control me. Alice starts to cry more, though this time it's out of anger. I know I can't control you, but you still need to not hurt people. Shut up, dweeb. I do what I want. Alice wipes her tears, still angry. If I want to do something, you can't stop me. If I want to hurt someone, then you can just stand there and watch. You stupid crybaby. I'm going to punch you in the face till you're unrecognizable. Alice is shocked by this. Are you threatening me? Alice's facial expression changes from anger to fear. So don't try to hurt anyone. Alice looks even more scared. Her face changes back to anger. As she speaks, why are you threatening me? What did I do? I'm just trying to keep up my status, and I'm trying to do my duties to show my victims, I mean everyone. Stays in line, it's not fault that they're too weak. Alice is sweating now and looks paranoid. Totally didn't hear the word victim. What? No, I said Alice is silent now as she can tell that she's made a big mistake by saying that word, but she continues to try and lie as she's sweating from fear. I didn't say anything about a victim. Despite her lying, she's still scared. I have ears, you know. Also, now you want to be a smart bit. Alice is getting more and more angry, although she's still terrified that you can punch and beat someone until they're unrecognizable. Well, then you try, and be popular you try, and see what it's like to have the spotlight on you all your life. You just don't know what it's like to be me. Oh, I don't want to be popular. It's better where I am right now. Also, you like being a nobody. Alice laughs sarcastically. You should know that popularity is one of the most important things to most people. It's the thing that makes people successful at anything. If you want to keep being a loser who's never gonna be known as anything but just, you know, average, I mean, you could just keep being just you.
Ooh, nobody gives a shit.
Being a normal person is better than being a sick, stupid bully. Oh, so I'm the bully now. Alice is shocked by this accusation. What do you mean by that? I'm just taking care of people, making sure they obey me. Alice laughs. You know nothing about this world, dweeb. First you call people rude names and you target people. And you hit them or trap them or act like they hit you even they didn't sue you. That's what you do. You know that is saying Alice can't come up with a comeback. You basically explain what she does and how she acts you. Have a great point, fine. Fine, I admit it. Alice calms down and looks at you seriously. Okay, so I bully people there. Do it, T. All right, I'm done.